Hello students, this is find zeros of the polynomial. Like here we have a polynomial 6x minus 5. We have to find the zero of the polynomial. That means we have to equalize to 0 first. And 6x is equal to minus 5 when it goes to the other side. It will be plus 5. X is equal to 6 by 5. That means when you keep x value 5 by 6, this polynomial becomes 0. Okay, now we will have a check here. 6 x value is equal to 5 by 6, so the 6 will cancel. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. Therefore here we are going to find out 0 of the polynomial. Now we can keep it as f of x. F means function. Of course the chapter is different, but just you can find out, just you can remember, f mean function of x. That means this polynomial is changing with the x. X is changing in this polynomial. That means here we can change x value to 0 like this, and we will get 0. Now here also 6 minus 4y when it becomes 0. 6 minus 4y when it becomes 0. First we keep 0 at the right side, make it as an equation. Minus 4y, this 6 will come to this side. Minus 4y is equal to minus 6. 4y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 by 4. That is y is equal to 3 by 2. That means when you keep the value 3 by 2 in place of y, this will become 0. That is 0 of the polynomial. When this polynomial becomes 0, when this polynomial becomes 0, at what value of y this polynomial becomes 0, at what value of x this polynomial becomes 0. So that value we are finding here, and we can find here, and we have a check whether it is coming to 0. This is the second question, second answer, and this is the check for this one. When this polynomial becomes 0 at 3 by 2, so substitute 3 by 2, you can get 0. Now let us see value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial. Here in this question, a polynomial will be given and they are asking what is the value at x is equal to 0 of this polynomial, and what is the value at x is equal to minus 1 of this polynomial, and what is the value at x is equal to 2 of this polynomial. So previously we have found value, that means 0 of the polynomial. When the whole polynomial becomes 0, we found it. Now here we have to find only value at particular given value of x. Now let us see. This is the given polynomial. Fx is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now in place of x, here this polynomial is in fx. Fx means function of x. Function means the changes will come only for x. Functioning, a switch is functioning, a car is functioning. That means some changes are there, so that we can say that means it is working with that. In the same way, this polynomial is working, or we can change, we can operate only x. That is the meaning of function of x. That means it's working with x only. Now x can be changed to 0. Let us see. F of 0 is equal to 5 times 0 minus 4 times 0 square plus 3. Now 5 zeros 0, 4 0 square 0 and 3. So the final value is 3. So the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 0 is 3. So f of 0 is 3. If you keep f of 0, that means in place of x 3, therefore this becomes place of x, if you keep 0, it becomes 3. Okay, let's come to the second question. F of x is equal to 5x square minus 4x, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now next time we are going to change x value is minus 1. So f of minus 1 is equal to, in place of x, everything will be as it is. 5 will be as it is 5, minus will be as it is minus, 4 will be as it is 4, square will be as it is square, plus will be as it is plus, 3 will be as it is 3. Only the place of x we are replacing with the minus 1. So 5 minus 1 minus 4 of minus 1 whole square plus 3. So minus 1 times 5 is minus 5, minus 4, 1 square is equal to, minus 1 square is equal to 1, minus 4 ones or minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. Therefore this is the value of this function, this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1. Clear? Now we will see what is the value of the polynomial at x is equal to minus 2. Okay. So write the polynomial with fx. F of x, in place of x we are replacing 2. F of 2 is equal to 5 2's minus 4 times 2 square plus 3. So 5 2 is 10, 4, 2 square is 8 plus 3, 10 minus 16 plus 3, f of 2 is equal to minus 6 plus 3, f of 2 is equal to minus 3. Therefore the value of this function at x is equal to 2 is minus 3. So we will find some other zeros of the polynomial. This is another question. This is question number, okay, here, fifth one. Find the zeros of the polynomial. P of x is equal to x plus 5. So x plus 5 is equal to, we have to, for the 0 of the polynomial we should equalize to 0. Substitution is 0 is different. Here we have substituted 0. This is the value of a polynomial at x is equal to 0. This is different. And 0 of the polynomial, the whole polynomial becomes 0. So at what? X plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5. So if you substitute in place of x minus 5, that is minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So the whole polynomial vanished and it becomes 0. So P of x is equal to 3x. 3x is equal to 0. X is equal to obviously 0 by 3, that is 0. 3 zeros. When x is equal to 0, 3 zeros are 0. Now here P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 5 when it comes to this side minus 5. And x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So when x is equal to minus 5 by 2, this value becomes 0. Let us check. 2 in place of x minus 5 by 2 plus 5. So 2 will cancel. Minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So in this lesson we have learned two topics. One is 0 of the polynomial, when the whole polynomial becomes 0. And second one is value of the polynomial at x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 by 2, like that. Okay, that's all. Thank you.